Is your Samsung phone charging slower than normal? In this guide, I'll show you simple and effective ways to fix slow charging and restore fast charging speed using easy settings and basic troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Check if fast charging is enabled. Open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Tap Battery, then select Charging Settings. Make sure fast charging or super fast charging is turned on. If this feature is disabled, your phone will charge at a much slower speed, even when you're using a compatible charger. Step 2. Use the original Samsung charger. Always use the original Samsung charger and USB-C cable that came with your device. Third-party or low-quality chargers may not provide enough power for fast charging. If your charger is damaged or no longer works properly, replace it with a genuine Samsung charger that supports your phone's charging standard. Step 3. Check the charging cable carefully. Inspect your USB cable for any cuts, frayed wires, bent connectors, or loose connections. Even small amounts of damage can reduce charging speed or cause intermittent charging. If you notice any signs of wear, replace the cable with a high-quality or original Samsung cable. Step 4. Clean the charging port. Dust, lint, and pocket debris can build up inside the USB-C charging port over time. Turn off your phone before cleaning. Use a soft brush or a wooden toothpick to gently remove any debris. Avoid using metal objects because they can damage the charging pins inside the port. Step 5. Restart your phone. A simple restart can fix temporary software glitches that affect charging performance. Press and hold the power button, tap Restart, and wait for the phone to turn back on. Then reconnect the charger and check if charging speed has improved. Step 6. Avoid using your phone while charging. Gaming, streaming videos, browsing social media, or using demanding apps while charging increases power consumption and slows down the charging process. For the fastest charging speed, lock the screen and let your phone charge without interruption. Step 7. Update your phone. Outdated software can sometimes cause charging-related issues. Open Settings, tap Software Update, then select Download and install or check for updates. Install any available updates as Samsung often includes bug fixes and performance improvements. By following these steps, you can solve most Samsung slow charging problems and restore fast, efficient charging. And there you have it. You have successfully fixed Samsung phone slow charging.